We've got some breaking news for you now. The state Supreme Court just made a ruling on skill games. That's why Dennis left the desk. He had to go write a script on this. Dennis, tell us about it.
Double duty, here it is. This is a much anticipated ruling, 66 pages, and it was released just after 5. We love when things get released just after 5. The state Supreme Court basically ruled that those skill games are slot machines and should be regulated as such. The opinion says they've operated in a legal gray area, but there's a bit of clarity tonight. Skill games are those machines, just like that. They proliferated across the Commonwealth, not just bars and restaurants, but convenience stores, even laundromats. They were allowed to operate because a Commonwealth court ruling said they are different from slot machines and therefore beyond the reach of the Gaming Act and the Crimes Code. Well, the Supreme Court completely rejected the Commonwealth Court interpretation and called that, quote, deeply flawed. So what now? The opinion says machine operators who participated in the industry in good faith should have safe harbor from law enforcement agencies for 120 days. It also urges lawmakers to create a law to tax and regulate. It urges lawmakers to fix the problem, saying the General Assembly is free at any time to take legislative action, and we expect that's likely because budget negotiations are underway, and the governor's plan calls for $1 billion from skill games taxes. So the machines are not going to disappear. They may tweak where they're allowed or how many of them are allowed to be. But the state needs the cash, and some lawmakers were waiting on this court ruling for clarity to move forward tonight. They have a bit of clarity. The governor's spokeswoman says they are reviewing the 66-page ruling. That's the breaking news. Alicia, back to you.
Dennis, thank you, and you'll be back with us at 6 as well.
Hi, I'm Eric Finkenbinder from ABC 27. We're excited to announce the new ABC 27 News Plus app. Live stream newscasts or watch content on demand. This is different than the ABC 27 app on your smartphone. You can check this out at home, and it's very easy to use. With a Fire Stick, go to the homepage, scroll down to search. From there, enter ABC 27. Move over to the apps, and there we are. Click the icon and install. It's just that easy.